Welcome. See this sum. The sum is divide the number 27 into 3 parts x, y, z such that 2yz plus 3zx plus 4xy is maximum. Let us assume that u equals to this one, and according to given conditions x plus y plus z equals to 27. As you know, for maximum or minimum of u, du equals to 0. Let us do it. Du equals to 2. See here it is a product. So y dz plus z dy plus 3 z dx plus x dz plus 4 x dy plus y dx. I am writing this in a different style. Suppose dx we are putting together, dx dx. That means here 3z plus 4y dx. Similarly, dy is here and here. So plus 2z plus 4x dy plus 2y plus 3x dz, and that should be equals to 0 for any extremum, that is either maximum or minimum. Now from here what we can write by differentiating? We can say dx plus dy plus dz equals to 0 from here. Now what we can do, multiplying this equation by 1 and this equation by lambda and adding. So what we are getting, that is 3z plus 4y plus lambda dx plus 2z plus 4x plus lambda dy plus 2y plus 3x plus lambda dz equals to 0. This one is 0 plus lambda into this one is 0, their sum is also 0. Now, if we want to make the coefficients of dx, dy and dz all are 0, then it will be 0. So from there what we can write, 3z plus 4y plus lambda equals to 0, or we can write equals to minus lambda. Similarly from here, this is 2z plus 4x also equals to minus lambda, and from here 2y plus 3x, this is also equals to minus lambda. From these two part, this one and this one, what we can write, 3z minus 2z, z equals to 4x minus 4y. Again from these two, what we can write, z equals to 2y, 3x minus 4x will be minus x by 2. Now, since z equals to this one and this one, so these two are equal. From here, what we can write? 8x minus 8y equals to 2y minus x, that is 9x equals to 10y, that is x equals to 10 by 9 y. Okay, now putting this value here, z equals to what we are getting, z equals to 2y minus, instead of x we can write 10 by 9y by 2, that is 18y minus 10y, 8y by 18. 18y minus 10y by 9 by 2 will be 18. That is equals to 4y by 9. Okay, so x equals to 10y by 9 and z equals to 4y by 9. And in this equation, if we are putting x is 10 by 9y plus y plus z equals to 4 by 9y. This is equals to 27. So what we are getting? 10y plus 9y plus 4y equals to 9 into 27. 1923. That is 23y equals to 243. So y equals to 243 by 23. By putting this value of y, what we can get? This we are getting y equals to this one. So x equals to, what we got? X equals to 10 by 9 into this one. 10 by 9 into 243 by 23. 9 to the 18, 63, 97. So equals to 270 by 23. And z equals to 4 by 9 into y, that is 4 by 9 into what y we got? 243 by 23. 927. That is 108 by 23. So we got the value of x, y and z. So for these values, u will be either maximum or minimum. We got this one, the values of x, y, this is the value of x, this is the value of y, and this is the value of z. Now we can proceed further. What we can do? We can, since this is we can do it from here. X plus y plus z is 27. We can write z equals to 27 minus x minus y. From here we can write del z del x by partially differentiating. It is equals to minus 1. and del z del y, this is also equals to minus 1. Now we are knowing u equals to this one. So I am rubbing this part. See here, what we can write, del u del x. Del u del x equals to this is, remember here while doing partially differentiating, here z is depending upon x and y. So we cannot consider z as constant. So we will write 2y into del z del x plus 3 z into x. So del z del x into x plus z into del x, that is 1, plus 4xy. You are doing differentiation with respect to x, so y is a constant, its derivative will be 4y. By putting the value of del z del x minus 1, del z del y minus 1, it is becoming minus 2y. This is also minus 3x plus 3z plus 4y. That is equals to 2y minus 3x plus 3z. In all these things, once again I am showing you, so del to u del x square will be what? That is, we are differentiating this one with once again with respect to x. This will be 0 minus 3 plus 3 del z del x, and del z del x is minus 1. So it is minus 3 equals to minus 6. Now del to u del x square is got. Once we can do del to u del x del y. This will be required. Even knowing that means we are differentiating this part with respect to y. So now this is 2 plus 3 del z del y, because this one will be 0. That is 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. Now we have to do once again from here del u del y. Del u del y is from here, that is 2 z plus y into del z del y plus 3x into del z del y plus 4x. Here x is a constant when you are doing del u del y. Now if we are doing this, we can put the values equals to 2z, del z del y is minus 1, so minus 2y, and this is also minus 1, minus 3x plus 4x, that is equals to x minus 2y plus 2z. This we are getting. One more thing is required, you are knowing del to u del y square. That is, we are differentiating this one with respect to y. X is 0 minus 2 plus 2 into del z del y, and you are knowing del z del y is minus 1, so equals to minus 2 minus 2 equals to minus 4. So what we are getting, that is now we will calculate, as you know the formula, del 2x by del x square into del 2y del y square minus del 2x del x del y whole square. This value you have to calculate. Del 2x del x square we got minus 6. Del 2y del y square we got minus 4. Minus del 2x del x del y. Del 2x del xy is minus 1. That is minus 1 whole square is 1. So it is 24 minus 1, that is 23, and hence it is greater than 0. That means for these values of x, y, z, either it is maximum or minimum. That means extremum is there. Now we have to check del 2x del x square. Del 2x del x square. Check it carefully. Del 2x del x square is equals to minus 6. That is less than 0. If it is greater than 0 and this one is less than 0, then this will be, u will be maximum for these values of x. That is, u is maximum. Which one is required is u is maximum when x equals to, so our answer is u is maximum when x equals to 270 by 23, y equals to 243 by 23, and z equals to 108 by 23. So we can divide x, y, z, 27 in these three values such that this one will be maximum. I hope I can able to make it clear. Thank you.